Hi, this is Daz from DaznDi Properties, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to build a fence gate out of wood. This is where the gate opening is, as a friend of mine has set up a post for the new gate to go on, and he is building a new fence. First thing I need to do is to set up a wooden upright which will be used for the gate lock. This needs to be lined up straight and level. Now that it is squared up, it is time to mark out where it will be placed, and then it will be fastened in place with screws. The gate opening is now right to be measured up, ready to make the wooden gate to suit. The main thing here is to make sure that the opening is square and level. There is a slight issue with the post that was put in, but I'll show you later on how I overcome this problem. I measured the opening and this is what I have worked out. I will allow 10 mm or 3/8 of an inch on each side of the gate. You will see that the gate width is 890 mm and the height of the gate will on the fence to make the gate frame and 100 mm or 4-inch wide treated pine palings to finish the gate. Next, I mark out half joints on the gate uprights for the frame and cut the joints out. After cutting all the frame timbers to size, I lay them out to be fastened together. Next is to pre-drill holes in the half joints and then fasten the frame together with galvanized screws. After the frame is fastened, I check across the frame diagonally to make sure that the frame is square. If it is not the same length on both diagonals, you just need to hit the longer side with a hammer to move it so it is square. Now I need to use another piece of timber to make a brace which I will mark out to go inside the frame across the diagonal. I cut the ends and fasten the brace inside the gate frame. The gate frame is ready. It is time to set out the palings on the gate frame. Check that the palings are set at the height that you would want them at, as I will set these to match the fence. I space the palings evenly so that all the gaps are equal. I fasten the palings to the wood frame with galvanized wood screws. The gate is now ready to be mounted to the pine post. Before mounting the gate, I like to fit the hinges to the top and bottom of the gate frame. Then I place the gate onto blocks at the right height and check to see if it is level and straight. And then I attach the top hinge. Then I fix the bottom hinge with galvanized wood screws too. You can see that I had to pack out the bottom hinge as the post wasn't perfectly square. Now the gate is up and is ready for the gate lock to go on. Last things to do are to mark out where the pad bolt will go and fasten the pad bolt. Next is to mark out and drill a hole for the pad bolt lock to go into, and the last thing is to cut out a hand access to the pad bolt from the outer side. That's it, the wooden gate is installed. Thank you for watching this video on how to make a wooden gate. Feel free to comment below, like, share, favourite and hit the thumbs up if it has been helpful. All the best from Daz of DaznDi Properties.